Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial I will show you how to report any Discord server or any DM or any person. So first of all, let's try with the easiest one. To report someone, you can just go and click on it and just go and copy, for example, his message in DMs, and right after you copy the DM message you can go to the support of Discord and paste it there. The same thing go for servers. So basically, to look on how you can properly report any issue on Discord, you can just come to this page, which is on Discord official website, which shows you properly how to report any issue. So here, let's show you both on how you can actually report anything. So first of all, you gotta copy the message that you want to report. So for example, this is on PC, so this is how you can copy the message link. So copy message link, and here on phone, so share. After that, you click on copy to clipboard. Now on iOS there is also copy message link. Now what you have to do basically is, for servers it will be looking something like that, the link of the copy message. So discord app.com/channel/ xxx, the name of server, etc. So after you do all of these steps, which is copying the message link and having the proof that you want to report someone or the server, you click on this web page in here. You go and report whatever thing you'd like to do, so it doesn't matter. Here you put your email address, how we can help, report abuse or harassment, report spam, etc. And here you put the message link, here the subject description, and if you want to add any pictures or anything that proves, or any like videos of voice chat channel, you can right click on here and add the file and submit your request. After that, they will go and review your submission, and if they were everything good, they will ban that person or that server. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.